If you're using LeadConnector and GoHighLevel and you're currently paying per text sent or received and per minute on phone calls, this video is going to change the way that you think about your phone system. Because we finally have a way to send out unlimited text and place unlimited calls inside of GoHighLevel without paying a per text or per minute fee. So in this video, I'm going to do two things. First, I'm going to explain how it works, who it's for, and what it costs. And second, I'm going to walk you through the full step-by-step setup on screen so you could get this running in your client's or your GoHighLevel account in just a couple of minutes. Let's get right into it. So let me just show you this quickly in my own account. I'm inside my GoHighLevel agency account, and if I pull up my phone system settings, you can see that LeadConnector is not activated. I'm not even using it. Instead, I'm using this other extension that we'll be installing later in this video. Now watch this. If I check my SMS wallet for the month, $0 spent. And if I check my calling wallet, also $0 spent. But here's where it gets interesting. When I head over to my conversations tab, I'm having hundreds of back and forth text conversations with leads. I mean, I'm sending and receiving texts and videos and images, and I'm also placing hundreds of hours on phone calls too. My internal texting and calling dashboard is literally telling me that last month I sent well over 34,000 texts, I received 15,000 texts, placed 14,000 calls, and have spent a total of 4 days and 8 hours talking on those calls, but $0 spent on text and $0 spent on calls. This is what the setup looks like when it's fully running, and by the end of this video, you'll have it running in your own account too. So how is this even possible? It comes down to this one simple switch, moving from an A2P text messaging to P2P. Every texting and calling setup that you've ever used in GoHighLevel has been built on A2P, application to person, which is the carrier SMS world. Twilio, T-Mobile, AT&T, that's the infrastructure that LeadConnector runs on, and it's why you pay per text and per minute. The carriers are in the middle of every single communication, and they charge for it. P2P, on the other hand, peer-to-peer, is a completely different ecosystem. Instead of routing through the carriers, it routes through Apple's private iMessage network. And the moment you move off of the carrier network, everything changes. There's no per text charges, no per minute billing, no A2P registration, no restricted keywords, and no banned industries. The carriers aren't involved, so their rules and their fees don't apply to you anymore. That's the entire reason this works. Now, I want to be really clear about what unlimited texting actually means here, because it does not mean that you could just blast out thousands of cold texts to people who've never heard of you. Unlimited texting means unlimited back and forth conversations with your leads. Once a conversation has started with someone, you could follow up as many times as you want, completely free. No cost per message, no cost per reply, no nickel and diming every time you need to send one more touch point. What this is not built for is cold outreach, database reactivations, or mass promotional blasts to people who haven't opted in. If that's what you're looking for, this isn't your tool. But if you have a list of warm leads that you're actively nurturing, people who have opted in, people you're trying to book, people who are in the middle of your pipeline, and you're tired of getting charged for every single follow-up you send them, that's exactly what this is built for. The use cases this works perfectly for are things like appointment reminders, webinar and event campaigns, opt-in nurture sequences, post-call follow-ups, lead re-engagement, anything where you need a real back and forth conversation with a lead over time, and you don't want to be penalized financially for doing your job well. Now, P2P works on a completely different pricing model than LeadConnector. Instead of paying per text or per minute, you pay per phone line. The P2P channel that we'll be setting up today is called SendBlue, and the way that they price is really straightforward. Each phone line lets you text up to 50 new leads per day. That means 50 people that have just opted in to your funnel or to your ads are giving you their phone number. And once a lead replies back to you, they're no longer counted against that daily limit. And so all your follow-up texts from that point on will be unlimited and will be free. And just keep in mind that if you're running higher volumes and get a higher lead flow, SendBlue will simply assign you more lines to cover it. If you wanted to know the exact price that it would be for your specific lead flow, just click the link that I left in the comment section or in the description section of this video, mention to SendBlue how many leads you'll be texting per day, and you'll get a full price breakdown right away. For most agencies, once you do the math on what you're currently spending per text and per minute through LeadConnector, the switch ends up being noticeably cheaper. And that's before factoring in that iMessage consistently gets about double the reply rates of a standard SMS text. So you're paying less and you're getting more from it. One last thing here, if you're looking to roll this out to your clients, you could either assign the phone lines to your agency account and manage everything centrally, or you could actually assign them directly to the individual client sub-accounts. Both options are available. Now let's walk through the setup step by step on screen. Step 1, you'll want to head over to the GoHighLevel marketplace. Search for SendBlue and you'll see the extension pop up. Click on install. Once that's added to your account, go to your phone system settings in GoHighLevel and click on additional settings. You'll want to make sure that you're an administrator of the agency to see this. Here you'll see a drop down where you could switch your telephony provider from LeadConnector over to SendBlue iMessage, so go ahead and do that. Step 2, you'll want to head over to the Google Chrome Web Store. Search for SendBlue Call and you'll see the extension pop up. Once again, click on install. Step number 3, you'll want to activate your phone lines with SendBlue if you haven't already. To do that, like I said before, click the link below where you'll be able to mention how many new leads you'll be texting per day and the specific area code that you want for those phone lines. Step 4, once the phone lines are activated, which normally happens on the same day, you could head over to the GoHighLevel Conversation tab and you'll see this new texting option called iMessage, from which you'll be able to send text from. Step 5, if you want a better texting experience in GoHighLevel, you'll now also have access to this phone widget to text and call your leads directly from the SendBlue interface. So by clicking on it, you'll get a virtual iPhone pop-up inside your GoHighLevel account, and you'll be able to access texting features like sending out videos or sending out voice messages and even text message effects to your leads. And when your leads receive those texts on your phone, they're gonna pop up as native attachments that they could preview right there in the conversation without having to click on a link to open up whatever you sent them like you'd normally see on SMS. Also, keep in mind that all the conversation history will be logged right back into the GoHighLevel interface even when you use this widget. Step 6, for those of you who are currently running any SMS actions in your automations and workflows, you'll be able to replace all of those steps by SendBlue iMessage steps instead, so that all your text messages go out through your new SendBlue phone line instead of the LeadConnector one. One really great thing about using iMessage instead of SMS in your workflows or even in your one-to-one texting is that if it doesn't detect that your lead has an iPhone, it will still send out a text. It automatically falls back to a green SMS text for all of your Android users, so you'll never have to worry about leads not receiving a text. Everyone gets the right colored bubble for their specific device. So there you have it. That's the full setup of your GoHighLevel phone system that will let you send unlimited text and place unlimited calls to your leads without paying per text or per minute. Now that you have this running, the next logical step is learning how to actually get the most out of iMessage as a channel, because it's not just a replacement for SMS. It's a completely different style of conversation, and the way you write your messages needs to reflect that if you want to generate revenue from SMS marketing in 2026. I've put together a full video on exactly that, and I'll leave it linked on the screen right here so that you could check it out. I'll see you in there.